promised to build on the nest. It's going to be very cramped and little of the ride, especially with that one big egg in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chick is going to be.
You know, I reckon that might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake, how could a turkey get to be a my nest? It must be your side of the family.
We'll just have to wait and see who he takes down here, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, let's fly. I promised Rutger that I'd help him count his chickens. Shall I meet you back here?
Well, where else do you suppose I'm going to be?